class 2, good morning. So class 2, have you learned question answers of chapter number 4, Toto the monkey? In the coming live class, I will ask you question answers. Choose the correct option and identify the adjectives. These 3 questions and of course spellings of words. Okay, these 4 things I will ask you in the coming live session. So be ready for that. Now let us proceed in the chapter 4, Toto the monkey. Okay, so we have been discussing about adjectives, and we have learned that adjectives are describing words that are used to describe any naming words. Okay, so the same exercise is here on the book, page number 42. Fill in the blanks using adjectives of your choice. You have to choose your own adjectives. Okay, I will guide you for filling up the blanks, but if you want, you can write some other words also of adjectives. Okay, now number 1 is, see, the question is C2 from page number 42. Fill in the blanks using adjectives of your choice. Okay, I will give you examples, I will give you choices. Whatever you like, you can write. Okay, so the first one is, my father bought me a dash toy. Now it is up to you that what kind of toy has your father bought? What adjectives you want to add? Suppose if we are writing my father bought a new toy, new will be the adjective, यानी कि मेरे पापा मेरे लिए नया खिलौना लाए. And if I am writing my father bought a big toy, मेरे पापा मेरे लिए एक बड़ा खिलौना लाए, then also the adjective will be correct. So here I am writing my father bought a new toy. N-E-W, new. That means the toy is new. Here new is the adjective word. Number 2. Shomu has a dash hamster. Do you know what is a hamster? Hamster. See, this animal is hamster. Okay? So, here for hamster we can add little, we can add strange or naughty, है ना. जैसे टोटो नॉटी था वैसे ही हो सकता है ये हैमस्टर भी नॉटी हो. शोमू के पास जो हैमस्टर है वो नॉटी हो. But I see here that its body is furry. उसकी पूरी बॉडी किससे भरी है? फर से भरी हुई है. So I am writing here furry, but you can write naughty also. Okay, Shomu has a furry hamster. F-U-R-R-Y, furry. Shomu has a furry hamster. Class 2, keep it in mind that we are filling the blanks with adjectives. We are filling the blanks with adjectives, and adjectives are describing words. Adjectives describing words होते हैं. Okay? Now next is, what is the next one? Read number 3. Read number 3. Number 3 is, it is a So here we can write it is a very beautiful painting. बहुत सुंदर पेंटिंग है. या फिर हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं कि it is a colorful painting, like जिस पेंटिंग में बहुत सारे कलर हो. Okay, or also you can write it is a very good painting. Okay, so or also you can write it is a special painting. Okay, so I am here writing it is a beautiful painting, and for writing beautiful I am using blue pen because I think the space is not enough. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. See, I am writing again the beautiful spelling here. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. It is a very beautiful painting. It has not come here, that's why I have written there. It is a very beautiful painting. Now, the next word, the next sentence is there dash juice in the jar? Is there dash juice in the jar? Madam had taught you that the words like much, more, most, enough, sufficient, little, few, a little, a few, some or whole are also describing words that describes the quantity. Quantity का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी काउंटेबल या अनकाउंटेबल नाम कितना है. वो सम है, मेनी है, मोर है, मोस्ट है, ठीक है, लिटिल है, थोड़ा है. Okay, so the words that tell us about the quantity of any naming words are also describing words. Okay, likewise जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, is there मतलब क्या? Is there that juice in the jar? क्या जार में थोड़ा सा जूस है? या फिर क्या जार में जूस है? So for asking question we always use any. Class 2, this is little difficult for you. Then also this is the fact, that's why I am telling you. अगर यही सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन नहीं होके एक assertive सेंटेंस होता तो होता yes, there is little juice in the jar. हाँ, थोड़ा सा जूस है. लेकिन जब क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो पूछेंगे कि is there any juice in the jar? Okay, so this word any is also the describing word. Now next is there is very dash sugar in the milk. यहाँ देखो, फिर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन आया. अब यहाँ के लिए डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड चाहिए, लेकिन ये एक क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर लगेगा there is very much sugar also you can write, and less sugar also you can write. Okay, so I'm writing here there is very less sugar in the milk. There is very less sugar in the milk. मिल्क में बहुत थोड़ी सी चीनी है. या फिर there is very, okay, you can go for less. There is very less sugar in the milk. दूध में बहुत थोड़ी सी चीनी है. और there is very much sugar in the milk will also go. Now you have done it. towards the next exercise, and that is the same topic, adjectives, but you will learn something new here in this exercise. Okay, now come to page number 42 again, to the extent part. Here. Now we have to read the sentence. You will observe that two describing words are together. एक साथ दो describing words है. Like at number 1 it is, I have a black cotton shirt. Here the naming word is shirt, and there are two describing words here. One is cotton and another is black. So a single shirt has been described twice. एक ही शर्ट है लेकिन उसे दो बार डिस्क्राइब किए हैं. और जब दो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स एक साथ होते हैं तो दे आर written with a comma. See, there is a comma in between. Black and cotton दोनों describing word है. और there is a rule of putting a comma between two describing words. अगर दो describing word है तो उसके बीच में एक comma लगेगा. Now here, I had a big round cupcake. मेरे पास बहुत बड़ा round cupcake था. Now there are two describing words here, big and round, and the describing words are separated with the help of comma. See, I had a big round cupcake. These two describing words are separated with a comma. I saw an old weak man. मैंने एक बूढ़े कमजोर व्यक्ति को देखा. So, the first describing word is old and the second describing word is weak. So here, old and weak is separated with a comma. So what did you observe? We observe that if there are two commas, there should be a, if there are two describing words, there should be a comma in between. अगर दो describing words एक साथ है तो उनको comma से separate करना है. Okay. Now the same exercise is here in the next page, and it is given here. Did you notice how the two adjectives in one sentence have been separated by a comma? Remember, if there are more than one describing word for a single noun, you should separate those by using comma. And the same exercise is here, and I am giving you this as homework. This you need to read and do. So this is your homework of the day. In our live class, I will ask that who has done the work or not. Now we can discuss it here, but I will not put commas. हम discuss कर सकते हैं लेकिन अभी मैं comma नहीं put करूँगी. Okay, because this you have to do. Number 1. Mohan is a tall, handsome boy. There are two adjectives here and you have to put comma in between. Mohan एक लंबा handsome boy है. Number 2. I have a cute pink doll. मेरे पास एक प्यारी सी पिंक गुड़िया है. You have to put a comma between two adjective words. Number 3. In summers, we sit under the cool dark shadow of the mango tree in our garden. गर्मियों में हम ठंडी और घनी छाए वाले आम के पेड़ के नीचे बैठते हैं जो कि हमारे गार्डन में है. So you have to find out the two describing words that are together and you have to separate them with a comma. Number 4. We also eat big sweet mangoes. और हम बड़े मीठे आम भी खाते हैं. You have to find out the two describing words and you have to put a comma in between. Number 5 is he is a brave, honest policeman. वह एक brave को क्या कहते हैं? साहसी. वह एक साहसी और ईमानदार policeman है. So you have to find out the two adjectives in the given sentences and you have to put a comma in between. Now shall we proceed? Here, shall I give you this also as a homework? No. This is also a task for you and I want to check your listening skills. आप मैम की बात को सुनकर लिख सकते हो कि नहीं? That I want to check. So here one sentence has been given in the exercise and what is the exercise? Write 5 sentences on how you spent summer holidays. Use the words in the oval. One has been done for you. So in the ovals, how many words are given? Games, swimming, sightseeing, beach, friends and relatives, and ice cream. Using all these words, you have to make sentences here and these sentences I will frame but I will not write. मैं frame करके दूंगी आपको लेकिन मैं लिखूंगी नहीं because I want you to listen to my words and write carefully. Listen to my instructions and write carefully. So here games has been used in the first sentence. I played games with my cousins. मैंने अपने cousins के साथ खेल खेले. और I played games with my cousin मतलब मैं मेरे cousins के साथ बहुत सारे games खेले. Okay. Now second is, what is the second one? If we will use the word friends and relatives. If I am going to use the word friends and relatives, how can we enjoy with our friends and relatives? ये आपको बताना है. You have to frame a sentence in which friends and relatives will come. So listen carefully and write it down. I met का मतलब मैं मिला. I met and spent good time with my friends and relatives. I met them. I met, or else you can write I spent good time with my friends and relatives. Write down in the second blank. Listen and write. I spent good time with my friends and relatives. One more time I am going to say this. After that I will read out sentence number 3. So sentence number 2 will be I spent good time with my friends and relatives. Number 2 done. Number 3. In number 3 we are going to use the word beach. Beach means समुद्र का किनारा, है ना? बीच का मतलब क्या होता है? समुद्र का किनारा. Number 3 is I went to beach with my family for sightseeing. So here we are using two words. I went to beach. मैं बीच पर गया. With my family, अपनी family के साथ. For sightseeing. What is the meaning of sightseeing? When we go to any place to visit or to see the place, है ना? हम कहीं भी घूमने जाते हैं तो क्यों जाते हैं? ताकि वहाँ के सीन्स को देख के हमें अच्छा लगे, है ना? थोड़ा entertaining हो, थोड़ा amusement हो. That's why we go for sightseeing. So sentence number 3 is I went to beach. Write down. I went to beach with my family for sightseeing. Number 3. I went to beach with my friends for sightseeing. Number 3. I went to beach with my family for sightseeing. Number 3 is also done. Now number 4. Yes, now we are going to use the word swimming. There is a simple sentence for it. I learnt swimming. मैंने swimming सीखी. I learnt swimming. Number 4 is I learnt swimming. I learnt swimming. Number 5. Number 5 is I enjoyed ice cream often. Often का मतलब होता है, I'm writing the word often here, C-O-F-T-E-N. और कभी कभी मैं कभी कभी या आइसक्रीम भी इंजॉय करता था. ऑफन का मतलब अक्सर होता है वैसे तो, है ना? I enjoyed ice cream often. This word often has a silent T. This word often has a silent T. So sentence number 5 is I enjoyed ice cream often. I'm repeating the sentences again. Number 1, I played games with my cousins. Number 2, I spent a good time with friends and family. Friends and relatives, sorry. I spent a good time with friends and relatives. Number 3, I went to beach with my family for sightseeing. Number 4, I learned swimming. Number 5, I enjoyed ice creams often. So class 2 here, your chapter 4 ends. Okay, in the next class in the next live class we will have the revision of the same chapter Toto the monkey. And what I will ask you, I'll ask you question and answers, spellings, adjective words, and one more thing I have told you. One more thing I have told you, isn't it? Choose the correct option. Okay? So, class 2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.